Have you ever wondered how you are able to think, move, feel, or even dream? All these things happen because of one incredible organ inside your skull, the brain. In today's video, we will explore how the brain is built and how it runs your entire body simply and clearly. The brain works like the command center of your body. It's made up of billions of teeny nerve cells called neurons, which send message faster than electricity. And because it's so important, nature gives its extra protection, your skull, and three strong layers called meninges. Now that we know what the brain is, let's see how it divided and organized. Your brain is not just one solid mass, it divides into three main parts: the cerebellum, and brainstem. Think of them as a team. The cerebrum handles thinking, the cerebellum controls balance, and the brainstem keep you alive. Let's start with the biggest and most powerful one, the cerebrum. The cerebrum is like your body's CEO, making all the big decisions. It's the largest part of your brain and control everything you do consciously, like walking, speaking, and thinking. It also split into two halves. The left side help with logic and language, while the right side handles creativity and emotions. And inside this cerebrum, there are smaller zones called lobes, each with a special role. Let's look at them together. These are the main part of your brain that shape everything you do. Each colored area here control a specific function, from movement to vision to memory. Let's go through them one by one, and by the end you will know exactly which part of your brain does what. So the first lobe is frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is like the control panel for your thoughts and actions. It helps you plan, make decisions, and solve problems. It also controls voluntary movements like raising hand or smiling. Just behind it, there is another region that helps your brain feel the world around you, the parietal lobe. The parietal lobe helps your brain make sense of touch, pain, temperature, and body position. For example, when you touch something hot or cold, this part instantly recognizes it, and when you close your eyes and still know where your hand is, that's your parietal lobe working. Now, let's move to the sides of the brain, the temporal lobe. The temporal lobes, located on both sides of your brain, handle hearing and memory. They help you recognize voices, understanding language, and even store memories of your favorite songs. And right behind them lies the brain's visual area, the occipital lobe. The occipital lobe is your brain's camera. It processes everything you see, colors, shape, and movements. So when you are watching this video, this very lobe is hard at work. So when you are watching this video, this very lobe is hard at work. Now that we have explored the cerebrum, let's move to the part that help you stay balanced, the cerebellum. The cerebellum, located under the cerebrum, it's your body balance controller. It fine-tunes your movements so you don't wobble when walking or writing. Without it, even picking up a glass of water smoothly will be difficult. But to stay alive, there is one more structure working silently, the brainstem. The brainstem is the simplest looking but most important part. It connects your brain to the spinal cord and handles your basic life functions like heartbeat, breathing, and digestion. You don't need to think about them, your brainstem keeps them running 24/7. All these parts work together through billions of neurons, your brain communications network. These tiny cells and electrical signals through nerves, letting your brain and body talk to each other constantly, even faster than a computer. Here is something amazing. Your brain weighs only about 1.5 kilograms but uses around 20% of your body energy. And even when you are asleep, it keeps working, repairing cells, storing memories, and dreaming. So to summarize, your cerebrum help you think, learn, and move. Your cerebellum keep you balanced, and your brainstem keep you alive. Together they form the most powerful control system known as the human brain. So this was a today's lecture. If this lecture helped you understand the brain better, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more biology and disease lectures, and comment below which part of your brain amazed you the most. Next up, we will move just below the brain to the spinal cord. Stay tuned. Thank you.